Hey everyone, so we're making homemade brownies tonight, and I'm just gonna crack 4 eggs because we're done with the recipe so he can share with his work friends. I'll crack it one more time. I didn't do that hard enough.
Remember to take 2.
Oh, that was perfect.
Good job. Good job, Kaitlyn. You did
I
so
got
much
0
better.
shell.
Yay!
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put in our ingredients. I have the 4 eggs here. I'm gonna go ahead and dump those in. And then we have the 4 tablespoons of, not tablespoons, teaspoons of vanilla.
Did you go a lot over? If so, you can not put as much.
Yeah, I did. That's why I only did a little.
All right, good job.
It went out too fast. And then we have 2 teaspoons of salt.
don't add extra of this.
Yeah, I'm not gonna add a lot. Woo. That's a lot. I only dump half.
Now you go ahead. It calls for 2 teaspoons because we're doubling everything, remember?
I need to do it again, probably.
Yeah, just, you don't have to do a ton though. There you go.
And then we have 2.5 cups of sugar, which is right here.
How much is that
And
one?
right here. 2.5 cups.
Right, there's your 2 cups.
Yeah, there's my 2 cups, and then the other cup has the half in it.
We'll have to get us some bigger measuring cups, aren't we? So we don't have to split it up like that.
Yeah,
there you
maybe.
go.
Then right here we have 3 sticks of butter.
Yeah, we melted it in the microwave because we softened it. Here we go. Now we'll come over here and sift our flour, won't we?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna have to. I think I need a spoon to get this out.
Here, you probably need a spatula.
Yeah.
Thank scrapers. Lexi's in here wanting to see if she can.
She just looked
You're gonna drop anything down for her. All right, let me hit pause.
Alright everyone, so I'm about to sift the 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour and the 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Oh,
You just took that out of the way.
I didn't.
This is the fun part, Kaitlyn.
Oh, it's all over your shirt. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's fine. Not a biggie. All right, you're going to have to lift it up with a little.
I've never done this. Weird.
You're backwards. Go that way with it. Isn't that fun?
They should really make
You're
a
holding
left-handed.
it for it? You want me to help you? There you go ahead.
They should really make a left-handed person.
I probably do. Travis found this one at an antique store for me because I had never, well, number one, I didn't ever make biscuits. And my brownies came out of a box, so I had no reason to use a sifter, I guess. But whenever I learned how to make biscuits, Travis got me this from an antique store. So then you just do it like that. All right.
Alright,
Now we're
now
gonna-
what? Put it.
Yeah, we're going to go over there and add it to it.
So I am going to mix in the wet ingredients. Go ahead and do that. Oh, lift it.
Just push it up. It's unlocked.
Oh. Yeah, I realized I didn't lock it.
That's okay.
Okay.
Want me to help you?
You can.
Hang on. All right, tilt it. I can't hardly see. All right, we'll mix that and then, hang on, let me hit pause and I'll add a little more probably.
Whoop. I did that too fast.
Only on the low. Only on the low.
It keeps.
She thinks that's funny that she made a mess. It's all right. That mess will clean up on it. Let's see.
This is my first time making a mess.
All right, now let's add some more. Do you want to try to do it yourself or probably not?
You can hold it and dump it in.
Do I need to tilt the bowl? I can't see anything. Alright. Let me get the last little bits out of it. Alright, so we have the rest of it added in, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
You had it right to begin with.
Well, this one.
Ooh, that looks so good.
Let me get the spatula.
All right, now you want to get your morsels?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is looking good. All right, go ahead. We're going to do 16 ounces of chocolate chips.
Just all bag?
Mm-hmm. And then you don't have, you're just going to stir it. Which I guess I could have left that on, huh? It could have done the work for you. Hang on. Alright, well that looks good, Kaitlyn. Let's see. I'm working it down. You see how it's kind of getting high?
Yeah, I see it.
Alright, you can turn it off.
Looks good.
It does look good.
Alright, so I'm going to sweep.
Let me unlock it for you.
Okay.
Hold on. Let me get right there a minute. Alright, here we go. We swapped out so that you could lift it, but it still may be kind of heavy for you. I don't know.
You can always be live.
Oh, here, they want to see you more than they want to see me.
This is a lot harder than I was thinking.
Here, let me help you. Alright, so you see how you do down? You see how you just go down with it? Push down. It pushes it all this direction. Feel like.
Oh, scared me.
I'm trying to turn it where they can see what we're doing. There. Can they see better?
Maybe. Oh no.
It's a greased pan already. I'm going to take it, push
A
it
lot
down.
of batter.
Mm-hmm.
Heavy.
Here, let me get it scraped.
There's still some left.
There we go.
There's a little bit.
Yeah.
Now all I do is just
Spread it out. Let's get it in the oven, right?
okay.
So. So probably instead of getting it up on the walls, because you don't want it to overflow.
Oh.
And you see how low it is over there? You
Smooth
want to
it
make
out.
it, yeah, you want to make it kind of
Smooth.
even. Look, if you just kind of, almost like you're icing a cake, which I know you've never done, but like if you just do it like this and then come back down this direction, you'll smooth it out a little bit better. Now do the same thing coming from the opposite direction so it makes it a little bit more even and uniform. You don't want it all over because you don't want to make a mess in your oven. Cleaning the oven's not fun. All right, and then we're gonna do what?
Gonna put it in the oven for
At 350 degrees.
Yeah, at 350 degrees.
Right, let me get something to... If it wasn't on camera, you could just use your finger and then wash it afterwards. But Kaitlyn, don't you want to taste that batter? You said you wanted some, so I stuck you a little spoon.
I'll taste it in a minute. I'm gonna wash my hands right now, so
Okay.
they aren't icky killer.
Somebody said the other day on our other video, they said, you can't say she doesn't wash her hands. I think you washed your hands 2 or 3 times on that video.
Well, I don't like the feeling of like food and stuff on my hands.
I understand. All right, well, I think we're about ready over here to throw it in the oven.
All right.
Let me probably back that camera up and let you do that.
Yes, Mom. Looks pretty. It looks good.
It does look good. I may want to take a video or a picture of it. Here it is before it's baked. All right, Kaitlyn, tell us how it tastes. She got her some brownie batter. Is it better than the box batter you had the other day? A lot better? With that eyeball look, I bet it was. Well, good. Daddy should be happy, huh? You should be proud of this. Let's see. Look how pretty that is. Let me put the light on it.
That's better than coffee dough.
First time at making homemade brownies. All right, Kaitlyn.
All right. Time for the baking part.
She was just telling me how excited she was for her daddy to taste them because she said that in comparison to those box brownies, they were so much better.
Ooh, that's good.
You can get right here. I'll move.
You can help hot.
Here, if you wait a minute, I'll pull it out for you. So all you have to do is lay it down. There you go. All right, we're excited. Kaitlyn's frozen to death, she said, without her jacket. So, all right, let's pull it open. I said open. Oh, it's not quite ready. It's still
a little jiggly.
all right. It's time to come out.
It looks pretty good.
All right, let's get the camera on it.
Are you going to start the oven?
Sure.
Alright, it looks pretty good. We're gonna let it cool.
And that looks real good, Kaitlyn.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Kaitlyn. Let us know how it tastes.
Mm-hmm.
Is that a real good thumbs up? A lot better than the box?
Mm-hmm.
Like how much better?
Really good.
You'll make it again then, you think? Think you'll ever want to do another box? All right, well, I guess homemade wins this time, huh? All right.
Bye.
You're going to finish your brownie, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let me come over here and catch a video of it.
It's hot.
She just tore into it. All right, enjoy your brownie.